Hello everyone, I'm Divya, and we're back again with another installment in the Going Digital series. We've done some research, developed some prints and illustrations in our previous video. And next up, we will be selecting fabrics for the collection by using 3D. Let's take a look at just one of these garments. Looking at this dress, I'd like to make this in a linen fabric. In NVIDIA, our 3D simulator, I can choose the material from the materials library. And on the right, you'll see that the material has been defined to act as linen would in real life, through material properties like bending stiffness and fabric weight. We can also change the way the fabric looks with the linen fabric texture. We see that the fabric, when simulated, now behaves just as it would in real life. The dress is comprised of 3 different colors, so let's test all 3 by creating 3 separate colorways. Remember our color palette that we defined in the last video? We're going to use it now. I can use 3 colorways to test each color and easily switch between colors to see how each of these look rendered on the linen fabric. This is also great to use when you have the garment already simulated, because we can test different color combinations on the actual garment itself. We can apply this same process to the rest of our garments to select the best materials and textures for our garments. That concludes the second part of our Going Digital series. We will be exploring digital print development next. See you guys then.